Let's talk about ESD basics. Do use a wireless wrist strap. A wire-free connection gives you full mobility so you can multitask like a pro. The charge totally leaves your body somehow, probably via vibes. And don't let the experts tell you you're not grounded. Haters are gonna hate. Do use an ionizer for hairstyling. Positive and negative ions help you achieve that perfect blowout look. And don't let bad hair days get you down. Just carry a mini ionizer for touch-ups throughout the day. Do wear your foot grounders when you go out to lunch. You're creating ESD awareness outside the EPA. Everyone will know you're a truly grounded individual. Do test your work surface with your bare hands. If it feels grounded, it must be grounded, right? And don't waste time with meters or compliance verification. Trust your instincts. Static can sense confidence. Do store your sensitive devices in a regular plastic grocery bag. Recycling is sustainability. And don't overcomplicate things with shielding or dissipative packaging. Electrons love adventure. Now seriously, do follow proper grounding, ionization, and packaging practices. And don't believe everything you hear on April 1st. Make sure you're following ANSI ESD S20.20 protocols. And don't be easily fooled by our April Fools edition of do's and don'ts. Check out our other videos to learn the real ESD basics.